Hello lovely people, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making spicy rum chicken, a dish that's all about bold flavors and a bit of fun. This isn't a traditional recipe, it's a modern classic born from happy kitchen accidents. Imagine the sunny Caribbean, their amazing rum and spices from Asia and South America, all coming together for a party on your plate. People everywhere love food that wakes them up, and this dish does just that. It's not just about heat, it's about deep, rich, complex tastes that make you feel alive. Our spicy rum chicken gives you a gentle warmth, a big, flavorful hug. It's perfect for sharing with friends and family on a sunny afternoon. Picture this dish as a claymation movie. The chicken is our hero, the spices are cheeky sidekicks, and the rum is the wise old guide. Every ingredient is a character, and the whole process is a story unfolding in your kitchen. Cooking should be fun, and this recipe is pure simple fun from start to finish. You're the director. Add more chili if you're feeling brave or try a different rum. The recipe is your map, but you can explore new paths. That's the beauty of cooking creativity and making something uniquely yours. Spicy rum chicken is more than a meal. It's an experience that brings a smile to your face. It's a story you can taste, and we're about to create it together. So, let's get our hands dirty and make some magic happen. Ready for a culinary adventure? Let's do it. Grab your apron. The story begins now. Meet our main star, the chicken. For the best flavor, use free-range chicken thighs with the skin on. Thighs are juicy, flavorful, and stay tender even with spice. The skin crisps up beautifully in the oven. Next, our secret weapon, dark rum. It adds deep, sweet, smoky notes and helps tenderize the meat. The rum is the soul of our dish, giving it that special Caribbean vibe. We need a touch of sweetness, brown sugar or honey, to create a sticky caramelized glaze. A squeeze of fresh lime juice adds brightness and cuts through the richness. Olive oil brings it all together and helps the chicken brown evenly. So, our main characters, chicken for substance, rum for soul, sugar for sweetness, lime for sparkle. Each one plays a special role in this flavor symphony. When they come together, magic happens. Think of them as a band, ready to play the most delicious song you've ever tasted. The marinade is where the story really takes off. These ingredients create a harmony that's out of this world. Ready to meet the rest of the team? Let's bring in the spices. The adventure continues. On to the next scene. Time to meet the spice crew, the team that gives our chicken its personality. Smoked paprika leads the way, adding a deep smoky flavor and gorgeous color. Cumin and coriander are the dynamic duo. Cumin brings warmth and earthiness. Coriander adds citrusy brightness. Toasting these spices wakes them up and makes them even more fragrant. Cinnamon and allspice add a hint of sweetness and mystery. Just a pinch transforms the dish. And of course, chili. Use as much or as little as you like for that fiery kick. Chili is the firecracker, cutting through the sweetness and making your taste buds tingle. Fresh garlic and ginger aren't spices, but they're essential, adding a zesty, aromatic punch. Together, this crew is unstoppable. They're the secret to our chicken's unforgettable flavor. Ready to mix it all up? Let's get marinating. The flavor party starts now. It's marinade time! Grab a big bowl, this is where the magic happens. Toast whole cumin and coriander seeds in a dry pan, then crush them to release their oils. Add them to the bowl with smoked paprika, cinnamon, allspice, and your chosen chili. Grate in fresh garlic and ginger for a burst of flavor. Pour in dark rum, olive oil, brown sugar or honey, and a generous squeeze of lime. Season with salt and black pepper. Stir it all together into a rich, glossy paste. Taste and adjust. More lime, more sugar, your call. Now, add the chicken thighs and massage the marinade all over, getting it under the skin. Make sure every piece is coated. Show that chicken some love. Let the chicken marinate for at least 4 hours or overnight for the best flavor. This is where the flavors really come alive. The chicken soaks up all that goodness, ready for its big moment. Cover and refrigerate. The anticipation builds. When you're ready, it's time to cook. The next scene is where the magic hits the oven. Get ready for the show. The adventure is heating up. Let's go. The chicken has marinated overnight. Time to cook. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, or 180 degrees Celsius fan, about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the chicken thighs skin side up in a roasting tin, giving them space to crisp up. Pour any leftover marinade over the top. Don't waste a drop. The oven is their stage. Slide the tin in and let the magic happen. Roast for 40-45 minutes, basting halfway with the pan juices for extra flavor and a sticky glaze. The kitchen will fill with the aroma of spices and rum. You'll know it's ready when the skin is deep brown, crispy, and the sauce is bubbling. The transformation is complete. Our hero chicken is ready for its grand finale. The smell says it all. Dinner is ready and something amazing is about to happen. The claymation adventure is at its peak. Get ready for the big reveal. The next scene is the taste test. Let's see what surprises await. Onward. The chicken's out of the oven, golden, sticky, and irresistible. You take a bite, expecting warmth, but then, bam! The chili wakes up. The heat has bloomed, spreading through the sauce and into the chicken. It's not harsh, just a deep, glowing warmth that builds. First you taste sweet rum and sugar, then smoky paprika, then the surprise chili kick. It's a plot twist in your mouth. Everyone tries it, eyes go wide, laughter erupts. The heat is perfectly balanced by the sweetness and lime. A dollop of cool yogurt or sour cream on the side is a great friend. The spiciness keeps you coming back for more. This is what makes spicy rum chicken special, a dish with personality and a story. It's not just food, it's an event. The surprise makes it memorable. Ready to serve and share? Let's bring everyone to the table. The adventure is complete. Time to serve. Let the chicken rest a few minutes so the juices settle. Serve with fluffy rice to soak up the sticky sauce, and a crisp green salad for contrast. Warm flatbreads are perfect for scooping up every bit. Arrange the chicken on a platter, drizzle with all the glorious sauce. Scatter fresh coriander or parsley on top and add lime wedges for squeezing. It's a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. This is food made for sharing. Put the platter in the middle and let everyone dig in. The buzz around the table is electric. Everyone's talking about that chili kick. It's the kind of meal that makes memories. You'll remember the night you all tried spicy rum chicken and laughed about the surprise heat. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated, just fun, flavorful, and shared with people you love. That's the real story of spicy rum chicken. It's more than a recipe, it's a reason to get together. So, give it a go, make your own story, and most importantly, share it. Because good food is always better when it's shared. Lovely jubbly.